Let's talk about how to fix Forza Horizon error gaming services, but in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step.
But hold your horses, because relief is on the horizon. We're about to dive deep into effective strategies and simple fixes that will help you conquer this notorious error. Get ready to reclaim your high-octane adventures and leave that bun in the dust. First, let's make sure the essential gaming services are running smoothly. Head into your Windows Services Manager by searching for Services in the Start menu. Find Gaming Services. In the list, right-click and select Restart. This simple reboot can often kick things back into gear and clear up minor glitches causing the error. Give it a quick restart, and then try launching Forza Horizon again to see if that high-octane action returns. If a simple service restart didn't cut it, it's time to try a deeper reset for the Gaming Services application itself. Go to your Windows settings, then navigate to Apps and search for Gaming Services in the App list. Click on it, go to Advanced Options, and find the Reset button. This action can often clear corrupted data without needing a full reinstallation, giving Gaming Services a clean slate. Perform the reset, then launch Forza Horizon and see if the road ahead is now clear for your race.
All right, if you're still hitting a roadblock, we might need to get a little more technical with PowerShell to completely reinstall Gaming Services. Search for PowerShell in your Start menu, right-click, and make sure to run it as an administrator. You'll need to input a specific command to install, and then reinstall the Gaming Services package. Don't worry, I'll put the exact command on screen for you. Just copy-paste it carefully and hit Enter. This is a powerful fix that often resolves persistent issues by giving you a completely fresh installation of the core services.
Sometimes the problem isn't with Gaming Services itself, but with your overall system environment that's causing the conflict. It's crucial to ensure your Windows operating system, and especially your graphic drivers, are completely up to date. Head to Windows Update in your settings and meticulously check for any pending installations that might be holding things back. Also, visit your graphics card manufacturer's website to download the absolute latest drivers for your specific to a fully updated system. Provides the best foundation for Forza Horizon to run smoothly without encountering that past by exodus error.